Okay, Chapter 21 is usual and customary prices. So learning objectives, or after completing this chapter, the student will be able to define usual and customary price for a prescription, describe how usual and customary price can be determined. So the usual and customary price, also known as your U&C, is the price charged to patients who pay cash for prescriptions. So U&C, or usual and customary price, are usually determined in the corporate offices. For some new medications and medications that are rarely used, the usual and customary prices are sometimes determined in the pharmacies using a formula provided by corporate management. This formula may already be programmed into the pharmacy computer system, so the U&C price can be determined automatically when a patient or prescription is filled. The professional fee is a factor that is used when calculating the selling price of a prescription manually, and takes into account the business, of course, and professional costs associated with dispensing the prescription. So a chart such as the following can be used to determine the professional fee. So if you look on page 169, it shows you, of course, the AWP. If it's less than $20, the professional fee is $4. If it's between $20.01 to $50, the fee is $10. If it's greater than $50, it's $15 fee. Okay, so the formula, of course, for that is the AWP, of course, plus the professional fee that I just talked about is going to equal the selling price of the prescription. Okay. So if you look in your book, the end of chapter, you have pages 171 to 176. This actually has given it to you in two different ways, but I have found that they usually, the second one in this book, they're just being real complicated with it, and asking for, like which one or the other was going to be the best way. What we do, and what you need to know for your actual test is just the first part. So you do not have to do the second part. Okay. So the first part, if you want to do the practice exercises in your book, or you could do any of the questions on questions 1 through 22. Anything after 22 you don't need to know. You could do it if you want to, but 1 through 22, 1 through 22, that's on page 171, 172, and part of 173. Those are the ones that you'll need to know for your certification test. Okay, so this one, okay, is number, I will do a few, about 6 of them. So this one, you have your prescription, and it's telling you that it's for 20 tablets, is what the prescription is written for. The AWP is $409.50 for 20 tablets. Okay, so if you notice, we have 20 tablets in it tells you the amount for the 20 tablets, and we have 20 tablets over here. So that makes it real simple for us. So we just take the retail, 409.51. On the top of page 171, it tells you the chart of what the professional fee is. So all you have to do is add the professional fee to it. So it says if it's greater than $50, the chart does that your professional fee is $15. So all you have to do is add $15. You should get $424.51. So that's how much the retail price would be. Number 2, your prescription is written for 90 tablets, and the AWP price is for 90 tablets. So it's $155.69 for 90 tablets. So again, this one's very easy. All you do is add the dispensing fee to the AWP. This is AWP plus your dispensing fee. Again, this is more $50, so it'd be $15 fee. It should come up with $170.69. Okay, next, number 3, this is number 4, actually, sorry about that. Number 4, because it's Cardia. Cardia XT240, it comes with a number of 90 tablets for the prescription. The AWP is telling you that it's $184.60 for 90 tablets, so those are equal. So next, all you have to do is just add the dispensing fees. It's $184.60 plus $15. Okay, so when you do that, it should be $199.60 will be the new retail price. Okay, now this one's a little bit different, just because you have your medication here is for 100 tablets, but the AWP price they give you is for 1,000 tablets. Okay, so all you have to do for that is figure out how much it is per each tablet, and then times that each tablet by 100. Okay, so you take your 3,000, divide it 3,373.38. Okay, and then you're going to divide it by 1,000. Okay, and you get how much it is per each tablet. So it's going to be 3.373 per each tablet. So then, and that's per one tablet. So then you have 100 tablets, so you times that by 100. Okay, and when you times that by 100, you come up with $337.34. Okay, you're going to add your 50. This is over $50, so you're going to add the $15 fee, and it comes up to be $352.34. And again, I'm just writing up here, so just say this is AWP for 100 tablets. Okay, next you have number 8 here. Again, you have a different number for the AWP versus how many you want. So the prescription is written for 100 tablets, but the AWP price is for 500. Okay, so again, you just divide 1,423.75 by the number of tablets by 500. And by doing that, what you're doing is you're getting the cost per each single tablet. Okay, so it's $2.85 per tablet. Okay, then you're going to times that by 100 because you have 100 tablets. And it comes up to be $284.75. So that's your AWP, your new AWP for 100 tablets. And then you're going to add your dispensing fee, which is $15 because it's more than $50. And that comes to $299.75. So the main thing on this one, all you're doing is taking the AWP and adding the dispensing fee to it. Okay, you don't need the tricky part is you just have to make sure that the AWP price they give you is the same as the amount of the tablets for the prescription. If it isn't, you figure out how much it is per each tablet, and then times it by the tablets that you need. So this one, I'll do the last one. So these are all pretty easy, I believe. It's $188.76. Again, you have 90 tablets here in the prescription, 90 tablets for the cost of the AWP. So this is your AWP for your 90 tablets, so that's good. And all you're going to do is add your dispensing fee. So it's $203.76. Okay, so just remember, you only have to do questions 1 through 22. The second part of this chapter, you don't need to do. So I'm trying not to overwhelm you with too much information that you don't need to know for your state certification test or your certification test. Okay, so just for practice questions, answers are in the back of the book. Go all the way through questions 22 for practice. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please send me an email.